Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how you can start affiliate marketing without a website, and it might be easier than you actually think it's possible. This actually works. We're midway through 2024 and it actually works. So let's jump in. I've got a couple different strategies I'm going to go over with you, and then I'm going to end with my final way to make money as an affiliate without having a capture page, a lead page, no email marketing, no website, nothing fancy, just direct affiliate marketing, direct affiliate links, right? So you're going to get an affiliate link and you're going to get traffic. People are going to click on the affiliate link and go purchase, and then you're going to make commissions. And I'll show you how I made thousands of dollars in one day from this simple method. But you're going to want to stick with me until the very end, because that's where I'm going to be showing you my favorite strategy. So don't miss out. But we are going to go and look at some popular websites and how you can actually make this work. So let's jump in real quick. So we're on Facebook right over here, and let's just say we were let's just go to ClickBank actually. So if we go to ClickBank, let me log in and go into the marketplace real quick. I'll be right with you. Okay, perfect. So we are inside of ClickBank, and now what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to the affiliate marketplace. We're going to look for some different products over here. And let's just say, for example, we go into woodworking. Just for fun, to show you that there's tools out there. There's different niches that are not just the MMO, make money online niche, or affiliate marketing, or there's a lot of other different products that we can sell on ClickBank, right? So to give you another kind of example, we could go with this woodworker's treasure chest. You get 70% commission. You don't have to create the product or anything. And that's the beauty of affiliate marketing. We're going to be able to get 70% of commission, and we're going to be able to, tie into their unique sales funnel. All we have to do is just send traffic to them, right? So brand new product for woodworkers. We had Ted's Woodworking. This has been around, I want to say 10 years or more. This is a popular one, always has a high gravity score, still at 123, but we have a new one to the game over here. So you could come pick any one of these products, but let's just say we're going to go with Ted's Woodworking. And you're going to go over here and you're going to push the promote button. This is where you're going to be able to go and get your affiliate link. Okay. So once you get your affiliate link, and we want to go and sell, and let's just say you're in the woodworking space. Now, I personally would recommend getting into a niche or a market that you actually are knowledgeable about, because you're going to start making sales a lot easier and a lot faster if you have knowledge, if you have an interest, if it's a passion of yours, if it's a hobby. So I definitely recommend, if you're into technology or software, there's a plenty of ways to make money with affiliate marketing with that space. If you're into woodworking, that's what we're going to be going over right here. If you're into or anything like that, like there is a product out there that you can go out there and connect with the right audience and start making money with affiliate marketing. Okay, so you're gonna go get your affiliate link, and we're gonna go back over here to Facebook, and there is a traditional old way, and this still does work, but you want to do this in a little bit different way. I always recommend going with the strategy of giving value first. We always want the money. We want to push a button, and then we want to just make money overnight, and it just doesn't work like that. Online business doesn't work like that. And affiliate marketing doesn't work like that either. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to come over here. Are you not getting the results you're looking for in your online business? Let me share with you a system that I plugged into, and in my first 13 days, I generated $6,300, all from free traffic. What you see on the screen are my exact results from those 13 days. This system grants you master resale rights and comes with comprehensive marketing training, teaching you how to generate free traffic daily to sell the product effectively. Now, you can join over 23,000 people who have already resold this program successfully. Are you ready to become the next success story? Comment 900 below for more information. Let's make it happen together. To Facebook, and let's just say we type in woodworking right over here. You're going to see all these different groups. You can go over here and look by groups or anything like that. But I'm going to go to pages right over here and just see what popular pages there are. And look, there's hundreds of woodworking pages right here with hundreds of thousands. This one has 1.2 million followers right over here. Now, if I am a woodworker and what I would do is I would go and grab one of these products, woodworking. I would go and build something. So for Ted's Woodworking, I would actually go and build something that comes in that book. This gives you plans on building different things, right? So let's build a rocking chair or build a table or a nightstand or something like that. Actually go out there and build that. Record yourself along the way. Maybe take some video footage. Maybe take a bunch of images that proves that you know what you're talking about and that you're doing what you're actually promoting in the product. So if people want to build that same chair like you did, that rocking chair, they're going to have to get Ted's woodworking guide, because you're going to be able to say, hey, look at this. I grabbed this out from this blueprint book. I was able to build this rocking chair in, a day or two or whatever it is, right? However long it took you, be honest. That's how you're going to be able to offer value and quality and answer questions to people. So you're going to come over here and let's just say, I love woodworking right over here. Okay. So they've got 652,000 followers. You can go follow the page. You can come over here. You can actually go in here and start making posts and providing value, follow and like this page. And when they comment things, just always give value back, reply back to this person. I've always enjoyed your conversation here. It's nice to share here on Facebook. So you could go over here and you could just say, reply, hey, check it out. And then you could leave a picture. You can leave value of what you're doing. Don't spam the heck out of it. Give value. Every once in a while, you can drop something that, is something that you're doing with this niche, right? And it's going to always lead back to, hey, here's that blueprint where I was able to get the exact blueprint and instructions on how to build that rocking chair. You'll be able to come in here. Then you can come over here. And if you go into woodworking, you can also go over here into groups. It's going to be a little bit more active and encouraging as far as, making posts. Now, you can go over here and you can join. You're going to have to sign up. But remember, this doesn't work the way that it did in 2010 and people told you to go and spam these groups. Don't go spam these groups. I recommend subscribing to a bunch of these and making only one post per day, or replying back to other people's posts and only focus on value. You start making a name for yourself. You can actually start driving traffic to your product or your link using this. Okay, so that's Facebook. It's still out there ready for you to go out and actually use. Now we'll come over here and we'll click on it. And this web is estimating 16 billion people or 16 billion visitors. There's not 16 billion people on Earth, right? So if there's only 7 or 8 billion people on Earth, that means that they're getting more. Just to try to break this down for you, it basically means that every person on Earth is logging into Facebook at least 2 times per month. It's unbelievable. 16 billion visitors are going to more than double the amount of actual people or population on planet Earth are going to Facebook. There is a ton of traffic here. Don't sleep on Facebook, okay? We can go back over here and we can go into Pinterest. Here's a brand new account for one of my brands called LearnWire that I just started up and started using. And you can see we're already getting 4,500 views on Pinterest. You can go and we can do all kinds of different things, but you can see we're getting outbound clicks right over here. That means that people are actually going to my website. Now, you don't have to use a website. You could actually use a YouTube channel or maybe a TikTok video or make a Microsoft Word document, right? You can actually send people over here. We could go over here and select a Microsoft Word document, and you could go over here and say blank, and you could title this, woodworking blueprint. And then you can give tips here, and then you could actually hyperlink this, right? So you're going to go up here and click the link, and you're going to put right in here, you're going to put that affiliate link that you got from ClickBank over here. You're going to put this link over here. You're going to put that in here, and then you can go and you can actually push the share button, right? So we can actually go and copy this link right over here. We could use that on Pinterest. There's so many different things you can do if you just think outside the box, okay? So Pinterest is another one right over here. We just started this up. Look at everything's in saves, 180% increase on saves. I just started this up. Look at the impressions I'm getting right over here, the pin clicks and interest, and then the saves right over here. And then the outbound clicks means that people are actually going to my website from Pinterest on a brand new account. This stuff works, guys, okay? And finally, I want to end on my favorite method, which is going to allow you to start affiliate marketing without a website. Just get started. And I make thousands, tens of thousands of dollars with direct affiliate marketing, okay? There is, if I come over here and just show you real quick, go into Miro whiteboard app real quick, and I'm just going to draw this out for you. It's going to take 1 second real quick. Now, if I come over here, I'm just going to put this in right over here. And let's just say that there's 2 main ways you can do affiliate marketing. There's direct linking. Okay. So there's direct linking. I'm going to kind of show you what that is. And then also we have capture page. Okay. Obviously with a capture page, we're going to send people, okay, when they click your link right here, it's going to take them to a capture page. And you'll have like a headline right here, and then there'll be a box right here that they have to put their email address in. And then from there, it's then going to send them to the sales page, right? And this would be the sales page, okay? And then from there, after they go to the sales page and read the whole thing, right? And they decide to purchase, they'll click on a link right over here. And then finally, they'll go to a final page, which is the checkout page or order page. This is where they make their payment. So that is, you obviously can tell just by looking at this, that this is a lot of process. In order to make this work, this is a much more involved process. And when we're talking about direct linking, okay, this, all you're going to do is you're going to have a link in your YouTube description, for example. Okay, so people are going to click a link and then it's going to take them right to the sales page. And then from the sales page, they want to purchase, it's going to take them to the order page. Okay, so the part that is missing on this part is that they don't have to go through this whole thing right here and give you an email address, because this is going to lower your percentages or lower clicks to order page. So your job, if you do this method here, is to show all the value up front with this method. If you use direct linking, and I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars doing this method here, people tell you that it doesn't work, but it dang sure does. It pays the bills. Is you just provide value to get people to click on this link. Because if you pre-qualify the link click, right? People are already interested. They already saw it in your review video or whatever you talked about. They already are interested. They're extremely highly qualified traffic. They're warm to hot traffic. So by the time they click this link, they're ready. They're in buyer's mode. They already see the sales page. A lot of times they literally just click the button. Right when they click over there, they click the button and they're ready to make that purchase very quickly. So this is fast. This is a faster way to make sales, okay? So hopefully that makes sense. So when we go over to LearnWire, let me just show you one last thing. What I was able to do just the last couple of days is I put out a video right over here. It got 2,500 views. I put out another video over here that was squirrely 800, not even 800 views. And then I put another one out over here. It's called MakerSuite with 1.8 thousand views. So you're talking about a total of 2, 3, maybe 4,500 views, not even 5,000 views from these 3 videos right here. And let me show you how much money that actually made me. We're at $41 today. But if I go over into reports real quick, and we'll report this by day. And if I come over here and I just sort this by the last 7 days and push apply, you're going to see, I'm going to go over here to clicks, and I'm going to go over here to total earnings right over here. And I'm going to hover over right here. You're going to see $2,509.44. That's $2,509 in one single day from direct affiliate marketing. So if someone tells you that this doesn't work, that you should always be capturing email address, I beg to differ. There are reasons, and there is reasons to go out there and actually, now you can go out there and do a capture page all you want. You can actually go and build some type of capture page. You can use MailChimp and GetResponse, and you can use free versions, or you can even use the paid versions. It's $15 a month, and you can get a capture page. You can always get email addresses. I'm talking about a very simple, easy way to do this. It doesn't require a website, and you can actually go out there and just put your link. If I come over here and go to Merlin, click on this, and I'll show you, prove my point. We come right over here. Look at this link right over here. I've got in the description right over here. People click on that link, they go right over to the sales page, just like I was talking to you about. They go right over to the sales page right here, okay? And they click on that, and then it takes them to the order page and they purchase, right? Because they watched this video. I already showed them why they need the software. I don't need their email address, and I don't need to hassle and make it more complicated than it already is. They just need to click on that link and go make the purchase, right? They're probably already signed up to AppSumo, and they already purchased products. They don't need to give me an email address to make a purchase. This is my favorite way right over here that allowed me to make $2,500 in just one day from affiliate marketing. So if you got value from this, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. You're going to get more content like this. And make sure if you want to make $900 sales commissions, 100% commissions, you want master resale rights to a program that teaches you from point A to point Z on how to do marketing and how to sell high ticket items, $900 products, and how I made $6,300 my first 13 days in the program. The link will be below. I'll see you in the next video.